this is pretty much the second and only classroom that you'll be in the sports science academic course. This is our lecture theatre, and as you can see, it houses, more than our sports academy will have. Anything we do with joint teaching, video analysis, anything we would look to do technical things before you go on the pitch will be done in here. Your sports psychology, your looks at like performance analysis, those sort of things, again, all will be done in here as a big group, and then you'll have a couple of the coaches coming in and doing this. Your tutorial, your pastoral care things, you have me as a course coordinator, you have me as a personal tutor. When we look at doing things like UCAS, when we look to see how you're embedded into the college, this is kind of where we'll be. Okay, so that is it. This is the college facilities as we have it. The Rugby Academy has been 6 years in the making. It's just getting better. We have state-of-the-art GPS tracking systems. We have shown you the Elite Sports Code, which is state-of-the-art analysis. We video all our training sessions, we video all our games. We bring you into these kind of rooms and educate you on that. But what's really important that we know is that this is an academic course. Sports science can get you into physiotherapy in university and get you in sports science in university as well. We would like to think we have facilities and we have the technical ability behind and the sports science ability behind to rival any school, any college, and we hope that you would make Belfast Met your first choice.